Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to be giving you analysis of how to get approved on your on-site commission on Amazon. So you're going to be watching the first three videos or examples of videos that will get you approved instantly. If you're having difficulties of creating a videos and you've been declined, then you need to watch this video to the end because I did my video and I got approved under 5 days. Yeah, under 5 days. So you might want to use the techniques that I used in this video to create your own video. And you only have like 3 chances to do your videos so that Amazon will approve you on the on-site commission. If you don't do your video rightly and you miss these 3 chances, then you'll be disqualified permanently. You will not have the chance to earn on your on-site commission. So don't miss out with this. Comment below and ask your question after watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Enjoy this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. As a nursing mom, I got this warmer, this baby warmer for my baby, and I'm here to review the product. And it's called the Fast and Easy Warming from Philip Avet. Okay, this warmer is very good. It's very easy. As you can see, this is how you're going to find it inside the box, and it's easy to plug. You can plug it anywhere and it's going to work beautiful. So this is where I already pumped my breast milk inside this bottle for my baby. So I want to warm it. I brought it out from the fridge. So you put little water inside and you try to set it in any number you want. If you want it too hot, if you want it in medium, you can set it in wherever medium or wherever light you want it. And this button is where you're going to switch it on when you are ready to give it a warming. So you give it a warming for like few minutes and it's going to be warm, so you don't give your baby a cold food. So I'm going to recommend this product to every nursing mother. These are washable nursing pads that you can get for yourself as a nursing mom if you are caring for a baby. And these nursing pads, they are washable. You can use it several times and you can wash it. You can wash it in your washing machine or anything that is you're comfortable in washing this stuff. And as you can see, it comes with different colors. As you can see, we have different colors, and these are all the colors that we have here. Okay, so this nursing pad, it's so comfortable and soft that it's not going to give you any irritation. It's washable, it's comfortable for yourself, and you will not have to have any sore on your nipples. It protects the nipples and protects you from leaking on your bra. So, and it comes with this. It comes with this carrier. So this is how it looks if you put it in the carrier, and very comfortable. I recommend this to all nursing mothers. I so much love this cozy cover infant car seat because it keeps my baby warm, comfort, and protects during the car ride. It features a weather-resistant interior shell to shield against wind, rain, and snow, especially if you are in a very cold country. This is a car seat cover that you need for your baby. The Dura zippers allows for easy access to the baby without disturbing them. With its convenient design and high quality materials, the cozy cover infant car seat is a practical accessory for parents seeking to keep their little ones safe and comfortable on the go.